Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 6 of half yearly, and today's SW number will be 4. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today's topic name exercise 4.2. From 4.2 we shall solve question number 5, 6, 7, 8 and 12 as your CW, and question number 9, 10 and 11 will be your SW. Repeat, from the same chapter, that means from exercise 4.2, question number 9, 10 and 11 will be your SW. So my dear student, we shall solve question number 5, 6, 7, 8 and 12 from page number 62 of your maths book. Okay, I have already written the question on the board. Okay, at first we solve question number 5. My dear student, in order to solving this problem, we need this formula: a cube plus b cube. What is the formula of a cube plus b cube? A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. A cube minus b cube. The formula is a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b, and some basic formula: a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. On the other hand, a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. My dear student, by using this formula, we shall solve question number 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 9. Now first question number 5. At first we did this question. If 2x plus 3y equal to 13 and xy equal to 6, find the value of 8x cube plus 27y cube. My dear student, how can we find out answer of this question? So first of all, we write given that. Okay, first of all we write given that. Okay, 2x plus 3y equal to 13 and xy equal to 6. Now the given expression is 8x cube plus 27y cube. My dear student, what is the cubic root of 8? That means which number multiply 3 times and we get 8? That is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. That means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So when we do cube of 2, then we get 8. So we can write 2, and cubic root of x cube is x. Now we do whole cube. Okay, plus similar way, what is the cubic root of 27? It is 3. So 3, and cubic root of y cube is y. So now we do cube of 3y. A cube plus b cube formula. A cube plus b cube formula. So what is the formula? A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Now write here, a means 2x and b means 3y. So a plus b into a plus b cube minus 3ab. 3, a means 2x and b means 3y. 2x plus 3y. Now 2x plus 3y cube. 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are 18. xy. 2x plus 3y. Now my dear student, we put the value of 2x plus 3y and xy. The value of 2x plus 3y is 13. So 13 cube. 18 into xy value 6 into 13. Now we do calculation. Listen, 13 multiply 13. 13 13s are 169. That 169 is multiplied by 13 again. Okay, 3 9s are 27. Carrying 2, 3 6s are 18 plus 2 20. Carrying 2, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. Okay, 9 1s are 9, 6 1s are 6, 1 1s are 1. Now we do addition. 7, 9, 5, 6, 11, 1 and 2. Okay, I hope you have understood. That means 2 1 9 7. Now we do multiplication of 18, 13 and 6. Okay, 18 multiplied by 13. 3 8 are 24, carrying 2. 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, 8 ones are 8 and 1 ones are 1. Do addition, 4, 8, 5, 13, 1 and 2. This 234 is multiplied by 6. Okay, 6 4s are what? 6 4s are 24, carrying 2. 3 6 are 18 plus 2 20, carrying 2. 6 2s are 12 plus 2 14. So minus 1 4 0 4. Now dear student, we do subtraction. 4 to 7, it will be 3. 0 to 9, it will be 9. 4 to 11, it will be 7, carrying on. That one is added with this one, it will be 2. 2 minus 2 means 0. The answer is 793. This is the answer when we use 2x plus 3y equal to 13 and xy equal to 6 in the expression 8x cube plus 27y cube. Okay, I hope you have understood this question. Next we shall solve question number 6. Similarly, p minus q equal to 5, pq equal to 3. Find the value of p cube minus q cube. My dear student, we use this formula, a cube minus b cube formula. A minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b, and we get the answer. First of all, we write given that 6 number, p minus q equal to 5 and pq equal to what? Pq equal to 3. Okay. Now dear student, please notice the board. Now p cube minus q cube. So p minus q cube plus 3pq into p minus q. This is the formula of a cube minus b cube. A minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. Now what is the value of p minus q? It is 5. 5 whole cube plus 3 into p cube means 3 and p minus q means 5. 5 5 jar 25, 25 5 jar 125. That means when we do multiplication 5 in 3 times, then we get 125. Okay, plus 3 3 jar 9, 9 5 jar 45. We do addition, 5 5 10, carrying 1, 4 2 6 plus 1 7 and 1. So 170 is the answer of question number 6. When we use the value of p minus q and pq in the expression p cube minus q cube. Okay, next question number 7. Similar as question number 5 and 6, we use a cube minus b cube formula. First of all, we write given that. Given that. Okay, the formula is x minus 2y equal to 3. Okay, now x cube minus 8y cube minus 18xy. My dear student, please notice x minus x to the power whole cube minus, this is the cubic root of 2y, that means 2y whole cube minus 18xy. So a cube minus b cube formula. So x minus 2y whole cube plus 3 into x into 2y into x minus 2y minus 18xy. Okay. So now we put the value of x minus 2y in the given expression and it is 3. So 3 cube plus 3 2s are 6xy into 3 minus 18xy. Now my dear student, 3 cube means 3 multiply 3 times, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. We write here 27 and 6 3s are plus 18xy minus 18xy. Here you notice this is 18xy, this is minus 18xy. We do calculation, that means we do cut and we get 27, and this is the answer. I hope you have understood question number 7. Next we shall solve question number 8, similar as question number 7. It has left hand side, right hand side, but it has not. So by the method is same. Okay, method is same. 7 8 9, 7 8 and 12. Three math are same in rules. Okay, 8 number question. Given that 4x minus 3 equal to 5. Now we can write left hand side or we can prove from the here. But here I write left hand side. Left hand side is 64x cube minus 27 minus 180x. Okay, this is unchanged. We use here cubic root of 64x cube, and which is 4x whole cube, and cubic root of 27 is 3 cube, and this is unchanged, that means 180x. Now a cube minus b cube formula, which is 4x minus 3 whole cube plus 3 into 4x into 3 into 4x minus 3, and minus 180x remain unchanged. Okay, now we put the value of 4x minus 3, which is 5. So 5 cube plus 3 4 is 12, 12 3 is 36x into the value of 4x minus 3 is 5 minus 180x equal to 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. Now we do multiplication of these two numbers, 5 6 is 30, carrying 3, 3 5 is 15 plus 1 plus 3 18. So 180x minus 180x. Now with subtraction, 180x minus 180x, and we get 0. So remain 125. This is the RHS. So LHS equal to RHS, proved. If you don't write this, then some marks is deducted from your answer script. I hope you have understood. Next, our last question, which is question number 12, same as question number 8. If a square plus b square equal to c square, prove that a to the power 6 plus b to the power 6 plus 3a square b square c square equal to c to the power 6. So first of all, we write given that, as usual, given that a square plus b square equal to c square. Now left hand side, which is a to the power 6 plus b to the power 6 plus 3a square b square and c square. Okay, this is unchanged. So we can write from this a square whole cube plus b square whole cube plus 3a square b square c square. Now a cube plus b cube formula, here a means a square, b means b square. So we can write a square plus b square whole cube minus 3a square b square into a square plus b square formula plus 3a square b square c square, which is unchanged. Now we put the value of a square plus b square, which is c square. So c square cube. On the other hand, 3a square b square, and the value of this is c square plus 3a square b square c square. This one and this one are cut. It is plus 3a square b square c square, and this is minus a square b square c square. So do calculation, c to the power 2 3s are 6 equal to r is s. Therefore L is s equal to r is s. So proved. Okay, my dear student, this is our today's lecture. Question number 9, 10 and 11 from the same page, that means page number 62. You have to do your SW. Okay, my dear student, you must do your essay in SW in your SW copy and submit it regularly in our school campus in every Saturday within 9 am to 3 pm. My dear student, I hope you have understood my today's lecture. So keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.